Here we go. We are entering into day 11, running from Providence, Rhode Island, running up north. Stopped and got us some lobster, as you saw in the previous video. Now we're at the very top. We're top at Mandawasha, Maine. We day 10 going into 11. We 6,853 miles into it. Thank you guys for watching me on this journey. As you see, we started way over here, zigzagged our way all the way to the bottom, busted a U, ran it back up the other side. Now we at the top. So now the next destination from here is to take it all the way across the map to over here. Let me zoom out. We didn't cover it. That's a lot of space. So like I said before, thanks, and keep watching on the travels, because I'm keep letting you see what I see. This is Rob from Money Stereo Installation. Ground pounder in the house.
I believe. Do it to himself up. And we weren't thinking.
Boy, hey,
You could have had all of them.
Okay, so what we do from here? Okay, you take one knot and you stick it and pull it back out. Do it 2 or 3 times so that it evaporates more or less. But try to do it as in the same place all the time so that it doesn't put a joint all over the place. Okay.
the GoPro
Where's my
running.
spot? Where am I doing it? Right here? Wherever you want.
Is it cleaned off?
Yeah.
Hold on, Mr. Nate.
Barry got the
Here, I do. Here, go live. Hold on, Mr. Nate. We're going to go live.
All right. Turn that thing around, Mr. Neal.
Live on
Go live. This is short.
let the world know.
Empire. That's Mr. Joe.
Man, why couldn't I got that?
Four corners. You missing another one.
Back.
No.
Florida, man. Jacksonville.
This represents you too.
Second patch.
Oh, yeah.
All right, here's the second patch. This represents the breed that's the same, like Emblem, and this also represents the folks who've been riding with us up here, which we also been doing quite a big handful.
A pound with rare breed.
100% ground pound.
And what is the criteria for the folks to get that, Mr. Nate?
Well, if they ride with our breed brothers quite often, they would have that, and if they put in at least 2,000 miles on a run, any particular run, they would qualify.
Yes,
It'd be given to them by the person who rode with them.
Yes, sir.
And appreciated them.
Yes, sir.
And that's what we do. So this right here represents us and them.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
We on this wall.
Breed up.
Yeah.
Breed up.
Nice.
Flag.
Water flag.
Higher. Yes. About
Water flag.
Perfect.
Water back.
Perfect.
Yeah, what happened?
There you
Right,
go,
Joe.
Smile. You in it.
Now get the patch.
I want to shake Joe's hand. I appreciate Joe,
man.
everything he's done for us.
I'll get
You guys are here. This is your part.
You got
All
it.
right.
the
All right.
Wi-Fi.
Thank you.
Let's
Take care
You
of
get in there?
All right, it's
I'm a post it.
Thank you.
I heard there's somebody we know has already set foot on the ground.
Or you can call him.
What we
and
can call
ask
him?
exactly where it's at.
Well, we're gonna try and find it first. Do our due diligence. If we can't locate it,
Cause I seen it. He put it on Facebook. You go that way, I'll go over here.
here.
Stay at home.
How did you guys come up from here?
Not for local.
We looking for an FHO one. Okay, this is the oldest, so
Yeah, I
it
figured
might be on the side.
you walk that side, I work this side. Never, ever, ever. You found it? You know what, y'all? I'm gonna call him. My eyes are going blurry over here. Okay.
Yeah.
What does it take to Blue? You get me asking the question?
Yeah, 120 for the 12 by 12.
Oh.
So that's 1 square feet.
Oh, okay.
The average over there is what? You got the 12 by 24. The more stuff you write, the smaller the font. Remember?
Okay, it's
Yeah.
okay.
What's you getting done? Blue?
So would this be a nice size font or no? Can you make this?
If you want this bigger, I would recommend a 12 by 24, which is a little bit more.
Okay.
Because you know that a lot more lettering.
Again, I will say, how far do you want to ride?
She said that, or even a little bit more, but he's still out here doing his thing.
Mr. Nate,
He out
Mr.
here. Oh, see, Mr.
PJ and Mr. Nate.
Yes, sir.
Question. Could you tell the world who you two young men are and where y'all ride from? What's y'all goals on this trip here, man? Tell me something.
His goal is to do 48 states,
Uh-huh.
all chapters,
Yeah.
4 corners of the United States.
And right now, where we at right now?
We in Madawaska. We from Southern California.
Yeah.
So this would put us way on the whole other side of the map.
Okay, opposite
But in
corner.
getting here, we didn't just take a straight route.
Uh-huh.
We went up, down, zigzag to get all the 48 states and all the chapters.
Yeah.
And we just about on the completion here.
Okay.
That's our goal, and our goal is to inspire others, and
Yeah.
our brothers, and people that wanted to take this trip. It's a little safer that they take it with somebody they know,
Mhm.
and it make it a little easier. Now, next time they'll take somebody.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. We just raising the bar, in this club
Okay.
that he was in on the ground floor. That's Segway.
Yeah. You said it all I can say. That's,
Uh-huh.
everything we're doing here is to inspire to run,
Yeah.
which in turn inspires me, because without you guys that was on this trip and every other trip that we built,
Uh-huh.
I have no reason to go anywhere.
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
learn and I give, and man, all that comes together, and you see what's been happening, right?
Oh yeah, I see what's been happening. So it kind of goes back to that Harley Davidson phrase I be seeing. They used to say, "Live to ride, ride to live."
Yeah.
Kind of fits right in this scenario.
Yeah, fits right in there.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's what we do.
And just right over the river, we got what's that over? That's Canada over there. So if y'all don't know,
It's right down the street. Right, just go right there.
okay, y'all better ask
South
somebody. You can't get no further north than we are right now. That's what I'm talking about. So, right there, right over in the hills, that's Canada. There's a borderline or a river divides us off. That's where we be. The furthest north point in the US of A. Young lady, how you been running on the ride? How you doing? You all right?
This is the one place I didn't want to come back to.
Why you didn't want to come back to?
So long. See how long it took you?
Yeah, just like we went to like Florida, go down to
I
the
like
bottom.
Florida better. I love Florida.
Yeah, now we got same amount of time to get here. We got to get back
You
on our
see
track.
That's Canada across the way. That's
Okay.
Canada right over there.
Okay, okay.
Did you know that?
I know, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But now I can see it for sure.
Now you can see it. Because
Yeah.
right down here, that's where the border is at, right down that
Uh-huh.
hill.
Hey y'all, like I said, we out here.
We
We're
out
on a
here.
mission.
On top of the world, baby.
That's right, on adventures, making it happen. All you gotta do is get on your motorcycle and ride. That's all it takes. It ain't the same experience when you come in your car or on the plane. This experience is about being on the ground, being with people, socializing, networking, brotherhood, fellowshipping, whatever you want to call it. D all of the above, and making it happen. That's all I got to say. Inspiration for today. Gotta go. So on our journey, we started from right here. We zigzagged all through here, hitting all states and chapters, landed over here. We zigzagged our way all up here. Now we're here. Now we're going over there to end back right here. So we made here, there, on our way there, to end over there.
Directly to you too.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey Rob, turn
How far do you want to ride?
Rob.